I was live at ABU Interstate Cooking Competition organized by ABU SRC Carnival, sponsored by BILLSJET, your #1 app for affordable, cheap and fast data, airtime and other utility bills.
Judges today will be judging on the cooking time, hygiene and food safety, teamwork, creativity, presentation, the taste, the flavor, the aroma. I'm going to award the winning team 250,000 naira.
As a judge, I took my job seriously, moved around, observed, inspect what they are cooking, and I was so proud because 12 states were representing Nasarawa, Kwara, Jigawa, Borno, Bauchi, and the likes. Omo, mutane rahamani. After that, it was photo and video section, and oh my god. Kai, alhamdulillah, 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 alhamdulillah for this love. I do not take it for granted. You guys should have found me. Some of you came purposely just to see me. I am forever grateful and I love you all. So after the photo and video section, I did a few interviews with some of the media team there. And after that, different cultures, dance to their music, and it was time for the competition, or let me say the competitors, to present their dishes and for us the judges to rate.
Can you tell us the story behind this dish and what you prepared for us? I love the getoshi. The chicken is tender, the flavors are clean, seasoning, the salt, everything is balanced. I love that about the getoshi. But I can't say much about this marigi. Immediately you present the dish, that fishy smell was all over. I wish you used like lemon vinegar to get the catfish, maybe that fishy smell went right here. And I love this, I'll pack this when I'm leaving. I love this with the tea. I can't even feel the sweetness of the sweet potato. I was thinking like the sweetness will overpower, other ingredients. But it is just perfect. I love this. I was thinking half water, but you can't even like feel. I love what you did with this, honestly. You added ginger, orange. You said orange zest or lemon zest. Lemon zest. That was brilliant. And I love the fact that you try as much as you can to tell the stories behind this dish from different localities in Kwara. The thickness, the spice, the seasoning, everything is balanced. First, I would like to appreciate the sponsor for this event, BILLSJET. If you're yet to download their app for cheap, affordable and fast data, airtime or any other utility bills, then you need to download BILLSJET fast. So the third place we have Akwa Ibom. Akwa Ibom. For the second place, we have Kwara.